In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Asana sidebar by removing, hiding, unstarring, or archiving a project. If your Asana sidebar is getting crowded, this quick cleanup will make it easier to focus on the work that matters. Start by opening Asana and looking at the project you want to tidy up in your sidebar. Make sure you're in the right workspace or team so you're seeing the correct list of projects. The sidebar is your quick access area, so anything you change here won't delete the project. It just changes how it appears to you. Next, hover over the project in the sidebar. You can either click the project name or click the three-dot menu right beside it. Both paths lead to the same place, a small menu with options that control how the project shows up for you. The exact wording can vary depending on where the project lives in the sidebar and your permissions. So look for the best fit among options like remove, unstar, hide, or archive. Here's what those choices generally mean. Unstar simply takes the project out of your starred or favorites section while keeping it fully active elsewhere. Hide or remove from sidebar drops it from that quick access list without changing the project itself. An archive is a stronger yet still safe choice for projects that are finished or paused. It keeps all the tasks and history intact, but takes the project out of active views and reduces clutter. None of these actions delete your work. Go ahead and choose the option that matches your goal. If Asana asks you to confirm, click to confirm. This is just a safety check so you don't accidentally remove something you still need easy access to. After confirming, glance back at the sidebar to make sure the project no longer appears where it was. If you unstart it, it should disappear from your starred section. If you hid or removed it from the sidebar, that quick link should be gone. If you archived it, it won't show up in your active project lists. And if you ever need the project again, don't worry, you can still get to it. Use Asana's search bar to find it by name, or look in your archived projects if you chose to archive. From there, you can open it anytime, and if needed, bring it back into your sidebar or unarchive it to make it active again. That's all it takes to keep your Asana sidebar clean, clear, and focused on your current priorities.